So, my dad's gonna get the remaining of that power wire for the alternator. He was trying to twist and he broke it, so got the alternator all bolted in though. Alright, let's see if that works. Smell of wire. Oh, there we go. Watch this nice splice. Damn it. Probably got on this right here. Ew. Well, I got my leg today.
What?
Underneath the truck on where the drive shaft mounts to. Hit it real hard on there. Ooh, Jesus. Oh, it worked. I don't care where that went. Whoa. Somewhere. Shiny new alternator. And about like 10 minutes ago, the fuel filler neck came as well about 10 minutes ago, so that's here now. So that's cool. That's right here from Amazon. I'm just in the video until the alternators and the belt's all back on.